Hey everyone! In today's video, we're exploring a hands-on and high-impact concept from the CompTIA Security Plus curriculum, penetration testing, also known as pen testing. If vulnerability scanning is about finding weak spots, pen testing is about safely trying to exploit them, just like a real attacker would. It's ethical hacking with a purpose, to test your defenses before the bad guys do. So, what exactly is penetration testing? Imagine hiring a team to try breaking into your house, not because you want to lose anything, but to see if your locks, alarms, and windows are truly secure. In cybersecurity, pen testing does the same thing, but with networks, apps, devices, and systems. It's an authorized, controlled attempt to exploit vulnerabilities and discover how deep an attacker could get. Pen testing is more than just breaking in. It follows a structured process. First is planning and reconnaissance. This is where testers gather information, IP addresses, software in use, open ports, and public data. It's all about mapping the attack surface. Next comes scanning, which is where they actively look for vulnerabilities, just like a vulnerability scanner would, but with a human behind the wheel. After that, the tester moves to gaining access. This is where the fun really begins. They might exploit a weak password, a vulnerable web app, or an outdated service to get in. Then comes maintaining access, where the tester sees if they can stay in the system undetected, just like a real attacker would try to do. And finally, there's the analysis and reporting stage. Testers document what they did, what they found, and how to fix it. This report is crucial. It's what helps the security team strengthen their defenses. Now, there are different types of pen tests, depending on how much the tester knows. A black box test is where the tester knows nothing about the system, like a real external attacker. A white box test gives the tester full access and information, great for testing insider threats or deep code issues. And a grey box test falls somewhere in between, simulating an attacker with partial knowledge or limited access. It's also important to know the difference between active and passive testing. Pen testing is active. It involves real-time interaction with systems and can cause disruptions if not handled properly. That's why it must be authorized, well-scoped, and carefully managed. While vulnerability scanning is often automated and run regularly, pen testing is manual, deeper, and usually performed periodically. It's used to validate vulnerabilities, test incident response capabilities, and assess real-world risk exposure. It can also be part of regulatory requirements in industries like finance and healthcare. For the Security Plus exam and in real-world practice, understanding pen testing helps you think like an attacker so you can defend smarter. It's not just about finding flaws, it's about proving what an attacker could really do and using that insight to strengthen your overall security posture.